c'è la meraviglia di madre natura. Gira, gira.
Salve a tutti, sono Agata Sandrone e vi do il benvenuto da Isola delle Femmine.
Hello and welcome to the Cannolo Report. I'm speaking to you from Isola delle Femmine, literally Isle of Women, the town that takes its name from that islet behind me. Over there was a watchtower against pirates' invasion, and another was also here on the mainland. On the islet, there were also Roman tanks for the production of garum, a delicious fish sauce. According to legend, there was a prison where only women were locked up, and for this reason it was named Isola delle Femmine. Let's take a nice walk to discover Sicily. Summer is coming, and here are 3 wonderful places that Sicily gives you. This is San Vito lo Capo, with its golden beaches, the Zingaro Nature Reserve, and the Couscous Festival in October. Here we are in Taormina, universally considered one of the most beautiful places in the world. History, sea, and luxury all together. And here we are in Marina di Ragusa, famous for Inspector Montalbano, who in these parts has fascinated us with his adventures. Sicily of the White Stone. On May 27, 1956, Giuseppe Tornatore was born, the director of many successful films, including the unforgettable Nuovo Cinema Paradiso. On June 2, 1743, Count Cagliostro was born in Palermo, an Italian adventurer, esoterist, and alchemist. In his life, he did all sorts of mad things between scams, falsifications, and inventions of powders, according to him, miraculous. Often in these scams, he was assisted by his beautiful wife, Lorenza. After a wandering life in the various European courts, he was sentenced by the Catholic Church to life in prison for heresy and locked up in the fortress of San Leo. Ancient folk medicine, Uglialoro, or sty, apply a gold ring to the swelling. But if you are poor and can't afford a gold ring, earwax is fine as well. The farmer's advice. In May, it is time to harvest broad beans, peas, and flax. The vineyard and the olive trees are hoed, and the hay is reaped. Pumpkins and cucumbers are planted, and artichokes are cut. The first cherries and apricots arrive. Almost 100 years ago, several Sicilians emigrated to Australia, and life definitely changed. Here's a postcard sent from the country of the kangaroos to the relatives who remained in Sicily.
Vi dirò quella di un cornuto. Cornuto, sì. Cato padre aveva le corna. E dito nanna, le corna portava. Quando nasciste tu, nascero le corna. Tutte di corna, lo sciume corria. La tonaca e l'oletto fuoro corna. Tra corna e corna non c'è caro Astia. Vantare ti li puoi, fianca de corna. Non c'è cornuto pareggio di tia.
Mi trovano in una piazza di Isola delle Femmine, la piazza Pittsburgh, dove rappresentata
Here we are again in Isola delle Femmine, literally Isle of Women, and this is Piazza Pittsburgh. This fountain depicts a fisherman who symbolizes the many families who immigrated in the early 20th century. Here he is, right in Pittsburgh, in the United States, where there is another statue like this one. Isola delle Femmine is twinned with Pittsburgh, Martinez, and Monterey. This instead is the Palazzo del Comune from 1170, when the Normans reigned in
palazzo
Sicily.
che nel 1170 è stato concesso dal re Guglielmo II alla chiesa di Monreale.
In this beautiful photographic poster, Eolo Bottaro from our culture department took pictures representing the Sicilian spring. A spring made of flowers, colors, blue sea, and some lizards. Sicily is a charm this season. Any excuse is good to come to Sicily, and the next Indiana Jones will be filmed right on our island. Segesta and Cefalù, two of the possible locations for the most loved archaeologists of all time.
The Bignolata Mezzanese. I got it from Sicily, from Messina. The unveiling of the Bignolata Mezzanese traveling from Messina. Oh, that's lemon and chocolate. Oh, wow. This is delicious. This is delicious. Wow. I think, wait. I'm in Sicily right now.
Many people from all over the world ask us help in order to come to Sicily, to move to Sicily, to buy a house in Sicily. Okay, our advice is to contact www.sicilyrealty.com, a consortium of renowned Sicilians who will help you to find the better solution in order to move to our island.
Next week in Sicily, weather forecast mostly sunny. Coastal temperatures average high 26, average low 18. The sun rises around 5 a.m. and sets around 8:30 p.m. And let's see what this land and this sea, blessed by the sun and wealth, offers us. The fruit vendor has just picked up zucchinis, pears, broccoli, eggplants, peppers, cauliflowers, apples, artichokes, tomatoes, broad beans, and peas. The fish vendor displays fresh fish from the Mediterranean Sea. Swordfish at 25 euros per kilo, mussels, squid, clams, the typical pink shrimp, mullets, amberjacks, and lots of bluefish at around 15 euros per kilo. And let's come to the feast in Sicily, an island where you never miss an opportunity to leave the houses and celebrate something or someone, and to eat and to observe and enjoy the true insight into Sicilian culture and customs. In this period, unfortunately, not much is celebrated. We are waiting for better times that will apparently come soon.
Il mio saluto finale lo dovrò qua, dal museo che gestisco, la casa museo.
I give you my final greeting from this museum that I manage and is dedicated to a child of Isola delle Femmine, Gio Di Maggio, whose family immigrated from Isola delle Femmine. Greetings from the Cannolo Report.
Arrivederci a tutti.
We give you the big opportunity to become a Sicilian. We give you the keys of Sicily. Join us, join Splendid Sicily, join the biggest cultural project focusing on Sicily. Join us, become a Sicilian.